In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can use this strategy to actually make money with AdSense starting this week. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Lester DS, and in this channel we talk about making money online, affiliate marketing, social media marketing, and everything in between. So if you're new, consider subscribing. Alright guys, so like I said, I'm going to show you how you can use my strategy to actually start making money with AdSense this week. Now, if you're watching this video, I'm assuming that you already have a Google Adsense account, you already have a website, and if you don't have a website, if you don't have a blog or anything like that, then this is perfect, because what I'm gonna lay out for you in this video is a complete strategy from beginning to end on how you can start making money with Google Adsense without depending on Google search traffic. Now, a few months ago, I actually uploaded this video where I talk about how I actually make money with AdSense, and I also talk about Facebook and things like that. But I didn't have a video that goes deeper into exactly how you can utilize this strategy to make money with AdSense. And what I'm going to talk about is basically how you can build a list at the same time building a targeted audience for your blogs, for your website, in order for you to make money with AdSense. So what I want to talk about is how you can lay out a strategy that really allows you to make more money without relying on a higher CPC, cost per click, in order to make money with AdSense. Now, some of you might be happy with 10, 20, 50 bucks a day. Some other people are looking to make $100 a day, $200 a day with AdSense, and it is quite possible to do this. All you have to do is get as much traffic as you can. But the thing is, we all know that getting traffic from Google can be a hassle. It can be time consuming, because most people want to get their posts and their websites ranking on Google, and it can take months. Sometimes it can take years, and Google might change something, and all of a sudden you have lost your rankings and you have lost your AdSense earnings. So this is why I wanted to lay out this strategy, because this is completely different to the videos that you see out there from people talking about how to make money with AdSense while actually talking about SEO and relying on Google search. I want to talk about how you can utilize Facebook to build a list, of people who can come back to your posts and actually allowing you to make more money with AdSense, while actually applying some unique techniques that I've actually tested multiple times and have proven to work to increase my earnings. So if you're not making money with AdSense right now, it's probably because you don't have an AdSense account, or you do have an AdSense account but you're not making any money because you're not getting any traffic. Let me tell you exactly, in my personal experience, this could be different for other people out there, but in my experience, what actually worked for me in terms of increasing my traffic and making more money with AdSense. And the first thing that I did is launch a news blog. It could be a sports blog where you talk about baseball, MMA, boxing. It could be also about movie news, new movie releases that are coming up, movie reviews. It could be anything related to a specific niche where you can update your blog on a daily basis. And the reason why I believe this works so well is because once you have a reader, if they really like the content that they're reading, they might actually come back tomorrow to read another post. And this is how you build recurring visitors. This is how you get returning visitors to your blog, and you're able to make money from AdSense from the people who have visited your blog every single day or every single week or every single month. Because the more visitors you get, the more returning visitors you get, the more money you're gonna make with AdSense. So this is the reason why the biggest blogs online that make the most money actually are able to generate large amounts of traffic, and that's because they have a ton of content being posted every single day on different categories on a specific niche. For example, the technology space is huge. There's new stuff coming out every single day. Just like the gaming niche, you can have a blog about talking about gaming news and new games that are coming out and game reviews and things like that. And that blog could actually attract a lot of people and make you a lot of money with AdSense. Now, the second thing that worked for me in terms of increasing my impressions and getting more people to click on my ads is by having a template with unlimited scrolling. What exactly is unlimited scrolling? Well, you can see it on websites like Forbes magazine, where you're reading an article and then you get to the end of that article and then another one starts, and then you never actually get to the footer of that page because you keep passing up articles and you keep seeing new ads pop up on that specific blog. This is what I'm talking about with unlimited scrolling, because it actually refreshes the ads. You get more impressions per visit. So let's say that you're spending money to get one visitor. If you have unlimited scrolling in your website, now you can turn that visitor into 5-10 impressions. This means that one visitor has generated 5-10 impressions for your page, instead of just having a single post where you get one visitor and then you get one impression in that ad. So for example, I apply this to all my blogs in a way that if I get 10,000 visitors at the end of the month for that AdSense account, I'll get like 50,000 impressions, mainly because it has multiplied 5 times, because I get people to read multiple articles. Now, if you want to find templates that can do this, you can go to themeforest.net. There's a ton of templates that you can use for unlimited scrolling, and you can buy them. I think they cost like $40 or something like that, and you can implement it in your WordPress blog and try it out. Now, of course, I'm talking about WordPress blogs, and this is mainly what I work with. Now, if you don't have a WordPress blog, I'm going to put a link for my preferred hosting service, which is Bluehost. Many of my blogs are being hosted on Bluehost, and they do have a great deal where you get a free domain name. Now, the third thing that you can do, and this is something that Google has created, it's brand new, and it's something called Google Auto Ads. And basically, you insert a piece of code in your website, and Google will find the best places in your website to insert their ads. And they'll basically analyze your entire website to find the best spots to place your ads so you can make the most money. So this is where we actually jump into step number 4, and we jump into the actual strategy that I was talking about to not depend on Google search in order to get your traffic. You can optimize your posts to get traffic from Google. You can get SEO traffic if you want to do that. You can do that, but you're not going to rely 100% on that, because that actually takes time. And if you rely on that, you're not going to make money right away. So if you want to be able to make money right away, I'm talking about this specific week, you already have an AdSense account, you already have a blog. What I would do is I would go on Facebook and create a Facebook page for your blog. And if you already have one, that's great. But the thing is, you're gonna need a Facebook page in order to go to the next step, which is signing up for ManyChat. If you don't know what ManyChat is, ManyChat is basically a bot that you can link to your Facebook page, allowing you to build a subscriber base using Messenger. Now, ManyChat, you can sign up for free up to 500 subscribers, I believe. Then after that, you do have to pay a monthly fee as you grow your subscriber base. But the main thing about this is that you can build a subscriber base inside of ManyChat linked to your Facebook page, basically for free. What you can do is you can go inside of ManyChat, grab a piece of code and put it in your website, and that's gonna bring a pop-up in your post. So every time someone goes to your post to read something, a pop-up will show up, and people can subscribe to your blog via Messenger. Now, the reason why this works so well in ManyChat is because the open rates are amazing. I'm talking about 95% open rates. That means when you send a message through ManyChat to your subscriber base, 90% of the people actually open that message and read it. That is mind-boggling compared to email marketing, when you only get 10 to 15% of people to open the message and like 2% to actually click on it. ManyChat is going to be more effective when it comes to generating traffic right away. So once you install that piece of code inside of your post, every single visit that you get to your blog, it's an opportunity to get a new subscriber. You got to have all this in place before you start sending any traffic to your blog if you want to be able to make money with AdSense, because you want to be able to monetize that traffic right away. Once you have your news blog, once you have your unlimited scroll template, once you have your ManyChat installed and you have your pop-up in your blog, the next step is to start sending traffic. The best way to do this is using Facebook ads. If you don't know exactly how to work with Facebook ads to generate traffic, I do have a video series which you can watch in my YouTube channel where I break down the basics on how to set up a campaign with Facebook ads. So the whole idea of this is very simple. You're gonna promote your top performing posts from your blog using Facebook ads. For example, if you get a post that has received a lot of comments, a lot of shares, then you're gonna take that post and you're gonna promote it inside of Facebook ads. You're gonna promote it to a larger audience in the US or any other country that you wanna grow your audience in. And basically what you're gonna do is you're gonna send traffic from Facebook to your blog, and then you're gonna capture those people using ManyChat. In my experience, most people who have actually come from Facebook, they already have a Facebook account, they already have a Facebook Messenger account, so that means they're more likely to subscribe to get updates using Facebook Messenger. So send it to your blog, you have the possibility of making money with Google AdSense. You're getting more impressions because of the unlimited scroll, and you're capturing that specific user now, which you can then notify of new updates from your blog. So because you have the opportunity to send multiple updates to that specific user, the cost per click to acquire that user actually went down, because that's now a returning visitor to your blog, and that visitor is going to keep making you money with AdSense as long as he keeps receiving those messages. So I hope that all of this makes sense, but just in case, what I've done is I created a diagram where I show you the steps on how you can do this, and exactly so you can have a visual representation on how this looks and how you can apply it to your own blog. So let me show you exactly how that works. All right, you guys, so this is the diagram that I was talking about, and I made this just to give you a visual aspect on how the whole thing lays out. Basically, we're going to start with the WordPress news blog, and as you can see, this will be our WordPress blog, and you can see the AdSense ads here on the top and on the side, and then we have the news article, and this is designed to be for the unlimited scrolling template, which means you read an article and then you get an AdSense ad, then you read another one, and then you get another ad, and then that continues. This is going to double or triple your AdSense impressions, which means you're going to be able to make more money. So you got to have this in place. Every single piece of this diagram actually has to work together in order for you to be able to make more money with AdSense. If you already have an established blog where you get a lot of traffic, you might not need this. You might actually implement the ManyChat strategy. But if you're starting from scratch, if you're building your first blog, this is the first thing that you got to do. So once you have that, once you have your Facebook page, once you have your ManyChat account set up, then we're going to install that ManyChat pop-up inside of our website, which basically it's just one button where people just can click on it and they can subscribe to your ManyChat with one click using Facebook Messenger. Once you do that, people will start subscribing to your ManyChat, and this is where you can send 3 to 4 messages to that audience per week, promoting one specific post that you want to promote, perhaps a breaking news, perhaps the top performing article of the week. You want to promote it to that audience so they can come back to your blog and you can make more money from AdSense. Now, the way to build this really fast is by using Facebook ads. So you can spend $100 per month, you can spend $1,000 per month. It truly depends on you and your budget, but the more paid traffic that you can get in the beginning, the more subscribers you're gonna have, and the more traffic and the more consistent targeted traffic that you're gonna have for AdSense. So basically, we're turning new visitors into returning visitors using the ManyChat platform to send those subscribers back into our blog and making sure that they actually create that habit of coming back to our blog every single day or every single week to read 1 post or 2 posts or 3 posts using unlimited scroll, so we can get more impressions and make more money with AdSense. All right, as you can see, guys, it's not that complicated. It's a series of steps that you need to take, but in the end, it's well worth it. It will increase your AdSense earnings. You're not going to be depending entirely on Google search. Now, you can use this to build your Facebook page. You can use this to build your subscriber base inside of ManyChat. And best of all, you're going to be generating more traffic because you're getting new visitors. You're turning new visitors into returning visitors because of ManyChat. And now you're increasing your traffic every single day, which means you're making more money with Google AdSense. So guys, I really do hope that you got a lot of value from this video, and hopefully everything that I'm talking about is because I've tested and I know that it works. With that said, I appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. If you did like this video, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed already, because I post videos like this every single week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.